Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than the maximum overlay. So I'm going to be adding a few videos like this one and then like this one. This video is very long. No, let's zoom in a little bit on that. And I want to add another video on top of that, like this one, and then like this one, and this one, and then another one like this one. And I'm just going to keep on overlaying videos on top. And as you can see, there are no more space in the video tracks, and I want to keep on adding some more overlays. So what you are just going to do, select all of your overlays. If you don't want to select the background, that's fine. Right click and create compound clip, and here's where you can keep on adding overlays, and you're just going to keep on doing that until I don't know how much overlay, like how many overlays you want to put, but you're just going to basically again keep on adding, and if there's not enough space, select the overlays that you have. Right click and then create compound clip, and that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!